Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project Playground booking system. And I have developed this project in Java JSP and MySQL. The version for the ZK I'm using is the ZK version 1.8. For MySQL version, I'm using the 5.6. For connecting the JSP Java with MySQL, I'm using the MySQL J connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. For Tomcat server, I'm using the Tomcat version 7. And if you have the Tomcat version 8, or Tomcat version 9, then you can also configure and run this project on the Tomcat version 7 and 9, 7, 8 or 9. Also, if you are using any type of ID like Eclipse and NetBeans, then you can also configure this project. But the restriction is that NetBeans or Eclipse must have the Tomcat server and the ZK version 1.8 for configure and running this project. For front-end development, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and some of the jQuery library also I have used, like calendar integration, form validations, creating drop-down menus, creating sliders. I have used jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project. Okay, so let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Playground Booking System, and this is a mini project, mini DBMS Java JSP and MySQL project, right? And it contains only and only customer functionality. There is no admin functionality available in this project. Means customer will be able to log in, customer will be able to perform all of the operations. There is no procedure for the login for the admin, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is the home page, and these all grounds are coming from the database, right? So currently we have added 8 grounds and it's coming from the database. If you click on the ground, then you can see uh, the details of the ground. And if you click on the submit booking, then there is restrictions at the project. Without login you will not be able to submit the booking request, right? So the user id is amit@gmail.com and password test, right? Once you click on the login, then you will be able to uh, get the dashboard, admin dashboard, means customer dashboard, right? So customer will be able to see the my bookings and view details, right? And after that customer will be able to see the my accounts, right? So from where he will be able to update his account details. The same menu is available here also. This is a my request, this is a my accounts, right? Even on the my request you will be able to see the details of the, this is all playgrounds, right? So this is all playgrounds, right? If you want to filter out according to the area, then you can filter out from here also, right? You can see the records are getting filtered out, right? This is a my requests, and now I'm going to book one of the playground, this one, suppose this one. Submit booking request, and name suppose Ajit, contact number, right? Want to book this ground. Once you click on the update booking, then you will be able to see, okay, your booking has been scheduled successfully. Your booking ID is 9, right? Once you click on the my request, you will be able to see the details of that bookings, and once you click on the view details, you will be able to see the details of the booking, right? This is the full locations, each and everything is displaying here, right? So my account, this is the logout. Once you log out from the system, the above menu will not be displayed because it's coming from the session and it's a session driven. According to the session, the menu is getting rendered, right? Once you click on the logout, then you can see none of the menu is coming. If you log in, then the above administration menu is coming, right? So this project I have developed. Okay, so the title is Playground Booking System, and I have developed in Java JSP and MySQL, and it's a mini Java JSP MySQL DBMS web-based project, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technology. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.